Well, good evening. This is your Sew What Seamstress, and I've been busy. So I've had several requests and questions about how to hem a pair of denim jeans and using a twin needle, because the twin needle does the two lines of stitching, that fancy decorative stitching, that's always on the outside, that double stitching there. And so the first step in hemming a pair of jeans is, when they're too long, is the best way is to take an old pair of pants that fit and are the right length. And when you lay them down with the jeans, you match up the inner seam here, and you lay it on top of the new ones that you're wanting to shorten, and you go all the way down to the bottom, and then you mark pins on the pant legs of where that hem is going to stop. That's going to be the bottom piece. I got pins right in here where that's where it needs to be at the end. So this other part here is extra. So usually what I do, and I like to have on my jeans a nice wide hem, because these were made with a wide hem to begin with. This is the original hem. It's nice and wide. It's 1.5 inch hem. So I want at least about an inch hem on mine. So I've got the pins where I want my hem to end up. Then I'm going to take the scissors and I'm going to cut this band that's on the bottom. I'm just going to cut right there by the stitching, and to get that extra part off. And it's great because you just cut along it. You don't have to do any, real measuring or anything. You're just going to cut along the edge. And I'm going to leave the pins in here for one main reason. I don't want to lose the hemline. And before I actually hem them, what I'm going to do is serge the edge so it doesn't fray, because denim will fray on you. I mean, how do you think they make all those jeans with the holes in them? They're making them so that they fray in those holes, and it seems to be a fashion statement. I never liked that, but hey. We're going to trim this bottom off, go all the way around, just like this. I don't have to reposition the camera for you because I got to go to the behind me where the other two machines are that I'm going to use. And go like that. So now I've cut the hem off. I have my pins where they need to be. But while it's still pinned like this, I'm going to take it to the serger and I'm going to overcast stitch this whole edge so it doesn't fray.